জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Jasmine! Jasmine, don't do this. If you go ahead with this, you won't be spared. Don't do such a thing, Jasmine.
Both you and Uncle Vicky, the two of them need to be arrested.
It's not that easy to catch me, right, Nayan? I will run away after I kill her. Friend! Nayan, what are you doing? Stop it, it's hurting me. The strength of a marital bond and the strength of my body. You won't be able to compete with either of those, Jasmine. As long as he is with me, no force in this world can defeat me, never.
Hey, take them to the car. Come on.
Let's go.
Ripto, I can't tell you how happy I am today. Don't hurt this daughter of mine anymore, okay? Now I need to be on my way. Let me first deal with these criminals and then I'll return. I'll return to meet you people, okay? Then, my dear, I'm leaving.
Let it be, my child.
Please forgive me. Actually, I had to act a little in order to get done with that issue. Please bless me so that I'm able to protect your daughter all my life. Nayan, I have found you after a lot of struggle. I promise you one thing. I give you my word that I'll not let you be in pain any day or in any way. I promise you.
It seems like two lovers reunited. It is time to decorate their bed.
Yes!
Come inside. Why are you being shy? It seems pretty amazing. Nayan, happy wedding night. All the best.
Dripto? Dripto? Dripto, where are you?
Nayan, today we have been able to come close to each other after having crossed several storms. Let this day remain special for us always, Nayan. Come here, Nayan.
Good morning, friends. Today is a special day. No, I would be undermining the day if I just said special. Today is a very, very special day.
Oh no, I am late. I must hurry up.
And on this very important day in our house at the Kripa Villa, we will see what everyone is doing. Come on. On the camera along with Jeet. Jeet. Come on, let's go and find out what's going on. Actually, today, Rangana. Rangana. You have still blocked that side. We have to put the lights over here. We are already getting late.
Hey, listen, do not blame me. I am working by myself. Can't you put up the light by yourself? Is it my task?
Rangana, please let the quarrel be due. Yes, let's get done with the work first. Then you can fight with me as much as you want. Do you understand? Typical family drama. Everyone seems to be very busy. And they're supposed to be. Today's... Let there be some surprise. Meanwhile, let's go and find out what the other family members are doing. Okay, come on, let's go. Also, yes, one more thing. I won't be able to show two people, Nayan and Dripto. Both of them have gone outside. So by taking advantage of their absence, we have executed the entire plan. The countdown has begun. Now we just have to wait for the action. Dishkow! Can you all see how hard he's working? Have a look, come on. Rangana.
Hey, Piku, what is this? Why are you moving your limbs in this way? Did you experience an electric shock?
Let it be, Rangana. You can't help me in this. I'll do it all by myself. Rangana, will you be able to turn on the switch?
Yes, I'm turning it on. I've done it! Right there.
No, the one beside it.
Oh, wait, I'm turning it on. Yes.
Not that one, Rangana. Listen to me carefully. The one beside it, just turn that on.
Piku! Yes. Wow!
Jeet! Yes! Jeet! Yes, tell me, brother. Have a look. Tell me, how does it look? It's looking amazing, brother. Really? Aren't you here? Hey, Aunt, tell me, how does it look?
What madness you people have started? Why did you people need to arrange such a grand setting?
It was needed, Aunt. You know, Aunt, they will be very happy after seeing all this. They have been through so many problems and hurdles. And it is our responsibility to take care of their happiness.
You're absolutely correct, child. Lourdes Vishalakshi has tested them a lot. Both of them have gone through a lot of pain. I hope that Lourdes Vishalakshi does not test them anymore.
No, Aunt, no. No. Today, none of us will be sad. You know, today is a day of happiness for all of us. Today, it's the 3rd anniversary of Dripto and Nayan. 3rd marriage anniversary. Have you people seen it? I don't know what to do with him. You see, I thought of keeping you people in suspense. I thought of surprising you people. But this man right here spilled up everything. Anyway, what can be done now? Yes, it is the truth. Today, it is the 3rd marriage anniversary of my brother Dripto and a wife Nayan. All these arrangements are for that purpose. However, Dripto is not aware of this. Dripto does not know, even Nayan doesn't know. Don't tell them. Let this remain as a surprise for the two of them. Let's go and find out what Piku has to say. Hey, Piku, if you give us the opinion and insights about this arrangement, then we will be very grateful. Please. Jeet. Oh, sorry. Right now, I don't have time to give you my opinions, okay? You seem to have all the world's time. You may do what you're doing, okay? I have no problem with it. I need to finish my work, otherwise Dripto and Nan will come home. And I need all this to be perfect. Understand? Go and do your work. You saw what he said? He said, I have all the world's time and I'm jobless. Tell me, I'm not entertaining you people. What do you all say? Hey, Jeet, come here once. Yes, what? Do the flowers look alright over here? Doesn't this place look empty? I feel it's a little empty. Let it be, brother. You don't need to worry. I understood. Yes. You people must be surprised. Yes, you're supposed to be surprised. A lot has changed in these 2 years. I know that you people are having some trouble believing. Initially, even I had some trouble believing. But it is the truth. My brother Piku, he's not the same. Yes, my brother Piku. He has completely changed. After the police arrested Mother and Uncle Vicky, Piku seems to have changed completely. In fact, he is apologetic about the time when he had shown support to Mother and Uncle Vicky. However, Dripto and Nayan seems to be the lifeline of Piku, and for the two of them, he can even sacrifice his own life. Yes.
Rangana, will you check for once if I have decorated it well?
Yes, I'm coming, Aunt. I'm coming right after I'm done decorating.
All right.
You all saw it? I had completely forgotten. Wait. Do you people remember this aunt? I mean, she's the mother of my sister-in-law, Nayan. Hey, aunt,
Huh?
I'm recording a video. Please smile. Aunt live with us in our house. Am I right?
Do I have any other option? After the death of my father-in-law, the two daughters of mine did not allow me to live alone. Apart from that, even my sons-in-law, they have insisted that I should stay here. Now, how do I leave this place? I have no one other than you people.
Have you people understood? I'm hoping that now everything is crystal clear to you all people. Aunt lives with us in our house. And her second daughter, even she lives with us in our house. She has not quit chasing me. Do you remember the time when she used to chase me all the time? She hasn't stopped that. And I'm the poor guy who's been trapped. I've become the second son-in-law of Aunt. Yes, me. I'm the second son-in-law of Aunt.
What did you say? Just look at your language. Don't you feel any shame making fun of your lawfully wedded wife? Yes. What do you mean by that?
Hey, no, I was just joking. I was narrating a story.
Anyway, forget it. Is this jewelry matching with this sari?
What do you mean by they're matching? They are not just matching, but they are complementing your look. You look very beautiful. So beautiful that you should be kept in a museum.
Oh, that means the outfit.
Yes, your outfit is amazing.
Hey, Jeet,
Yes?
why don't you turn the camera to this side? Can't you see that I've been decorating since so long? My waist is hurting by trying to find the correct pose.
Hey, I'm very sorry, Rangana. Sorry. Look, the fact that you have completed all your tasks without making a mess makes us very grateful of you.
Hey, don't joke around, Jeet. I'm telling you. Can't you see that I've been working for so long? Hey, look, I'm Rangana. Look at the decorations. All of this is because today it is the 3rd marriage anniversary of Dripto and Nayan. Hey, Piku, where did the two of them go? Why have they not returned?
Rangana, it seems that you have not lost the habit of saying stupid things. Tell me, had they not left the house, would we have been able to plan this surprise for them?
Yes, that's right. I really say foolish things. But Piku, did they say anything about where they are going? Okay, wait. Jeet,
Yes?
did they say anything about where they are going?
No, they haven't said anything.
Aunt, did they tell you about where they're going?
No.
Hey, all of you, wait. Wait,
What happened?
I think they've come back. Did you hear the sound of the car? Yes? I think they both have returned. Hey, Piku, is everything ready? Yes? Listen to me. Let us all take our respective positions, all right? Wait. Hey, Aunt,
Yes?
you should go on that side, over there.
All right. Huh.
Everyone, take your position. Yes, taking our positions. Yes. Jeet. Yes. Jeet. Yes, what happened? Take your position. Will you continue recording? Oh, yes. Sorry.
Hey, where will I go? Just a second.